how to filter keywords comments on your videos on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok and open it. Then when your TikTok is open, you will just go here on your profile, then click, and then go here to this three line and click again, and go to settings and privacy. After this guys, go to privacy and then go to comment and go to filter keywords. You will just turn on right now here like this, and now you will add a keywords, for example something like this. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and see you next video.